Hey there, did you know that ذلك الكلام اللي إنه لا يحب المستكبرين وبعد لا يدخل الجنة من كان في قلبه مثقال ذرة من كبر وبعد العز إزاره والكبرياء رداء فمن ينازعني في واحد منهما عذبته. Think about it. Wealth or money is actually test from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Money has a special power, and this power makes people sometimes very arrogant. They don't respect anymore ordinary people. And that's how start problems in our society. First, they hate ordinary people and insult them. And they seem very comfortable and they don't care about arrogance is a bad thing. That's why it hurts for people and they sometimes pray against them. That rich man loses Allah's blessing. He becomes totally alone. He forgets that arrogance is belong to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala only. So we should never ever try to take the creator's rope. To be honest, money, wealth and houses are temporary. On the other hand, good manners and respect are permanent. So treat everyone with respect and stay humble. Thank you very much.